Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
How's that, Eddie, brother? No, negative. What happened?
This Silverado in front of me flipped around with his tractor.
You?
With his tractor, I'm stuck behind him.
Okay. Pull over.
I'm going to a 19. I'm trying to get out of the way here.
I got money to live my friends now. We can't be bands, can't put in tears now. I'm weird now. Ooh, fucking lesbian trans now.
Social radio, Sirius XM 90. You guys ever been to New York? We have so much in common. This is going to be great.
Holy. Yeah, stop signs, you idiots.
Are you freaking kidding me right now? Yeah?
AY984.
You'd come over and you'd stay the night. Would you love me for the hell of it? All our fears would be irrelevant. If the world was ending, you'd come over, right? The sky be falling and I'd
that's an accident right there. Oh my god.
You're gonna watch the teal car on the left, right there. Boom, hits the rider, she goes down right in front of another one. We're gonna slow this down a little bit, take another look. Boom, impact, she slides right in front and in between two riders right there. That could have been a whole lot worse. Bunch of people pull over to help her out, that's good. I was probably just moments behind there. These guys right here look like they're going in pursuit of the vehicle. I'm not sure exactly what happened with the pursuit. I have no information on that. I'm not sure if they caught all the way up to this driver and the driver was brought to justice on the whole situation. So here's the moment in my video where I realized that somebody had crashed, pulled over to check on the rider. She just told us that a car swerved into her. She was complaining of shoulder pain.
Anything else? You should probably sit down. You want to.
A bunch of us were already crowding the situation and asking her questions, so I just wanted to be kind of brief. Went over her gear. You can see the shoulder impact right there on her vest, how much material was shaved. I went over her helmet just to make sure she didn't hit her head. Everything looked fine. Eventually, she chose to ride away, and we all just kind of moved on. So